Hello guys, welcome to iQuatics. I know I haven't uploaded a video in some time now, but just been busy here lately. And those of you who don't know, this is my 90 gallon. Most of it's peacocks, and I got some haps in there, 2 venustas, and I also got some yellow labs in there just to add some color to it. But basically, they're in here to grow out. Maybe eventually be my show tank. But right now I have 2 venustas, 4 yellow labs, a biocolor 500 male and female, 1 dragon blood male, 5 sunshines, banga males, and obviously I'm just going to keep one of those. But they're in here right now to grow out. One's already starting to color up really well. I also got 1 OB peacock and 1 female sunshine. But I'm really liking this tank. I got pool filter sand for the substrate. Got an aqua clear 70 on the left side, and I got a whisper 70 on the right side, and the Maxi Jet wave maker, the 15 gallon per hour one. Usually I don't turn it on very often because it's really strong. I do turn it on when I do water changes. I mix up I get all the debris off the sand and just start floating, then I siphon it out. But this is my 90 gallon, and now I'll go in there into my other room and show you my 75 gallon, and 30 and 2 10s. And here we are. Okay, this is my 75 gallon. I got it divided. On this side I got male yellow or male Kenyai and 1 female Kenyai. And on this side I got 1 electric Blue Ahli male and 2 females. He's trying to spawn with her. He's been digging a lot. Probably get some fry of those very soon, possibly today or tomorrow. Got an albino zebra holding in here. Probably strip her next Thursday. This is my other female Kenyai at the top. Basically got her in here to I guess start up the nitrogen cycle, but that filter's been used and cycled. That sponge filter I put in here for about a week, but because eventually I'm gonna get his fry into here. Then up here I got some fry that's been, I don't know, they're probably about a month and a half, no, probably about a month old. They're growing pretty fast. Sorry about the glare. Feed these guys about 3 times a day, 3 or 4 times a day. And these are Kenyai fry. Probably start getting their color here soon. But plan on starting some more videos here soon. I've been selling a lot of fish on eBay. Whenever I move out of this apartment, I'm really going to start breeding fish, selling them. But thanks for watching, guys, and please like the video, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.